welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a simple sign up form. So I'm going to show you how it's going to look like. So I'm going to show you a demo of what we're creating today. So this is demo of what we're creating today. It's supposed to look like this. So we're going to create something simple, not going to be very fancy. So this is what we're going to create today. We have the first name here, we have the last name, we have the email, and we have the password. This is a validated form. It is a validated form. Without showing any information in those, then you goes nowhere. It asks you to what? To please fill in this form. So it's tell the user to fill in a form, and when you think you can deceive it and you put in this form tells, and then you think you can log in, it still asks for this last name. So that it has a validation. So when everything's my last name, Mego, have my email, Mego, go at mail.com. So I have my password. Password is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then you see, but that is relevant to nowhere because we don't have any back end there. It's just the front end, and we're not inputting anything else. So this is what we got. So let's just create a new folder files. I'm going to create a new HTML file, form.html. So I'm going to save that later, but let's start working. First we create an div. Create a div with a class of class of form. So all our form content goes here. So now I'm going to close the div, then go to the form. I'm going to create a form page, so everything inside the form goes here. Now inside the form I'm going to create a div. So I'm going to create with a class. I'm going to give a class of I'm going to give a class of SignIn. Let me just put in sign. So now inside this I'm going to close this, and inside this I'm going to have a sign in. So I'm going to make that capture. So I can do that with CSS. I just want to make it simple. So we have our sign in here, not included yet. So here we have another div to the class of I don't want to include any class, then just leave it like that. So inside our div I want to create an input. So I'm going to create an input type of text. I'm going to create text, input type of text. So you should have a place value. So we have place value of first name. We have the first name. Then have it required. So we have required is equals to required. So that is an HTML5 validation that is added to it. So there we go. So I'm going to close the tag here. So there we go. So I'm just going to copy this to make it faster. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to paste it here about 3 times. Now we have the first one as first name, the second one as the last name, we have the third one, and the third one is email. So email, but this is not going to be text for validation, so we are going to put in email. So we have everything should be required, and this place is going to be password. So I'm going to input password, and this place, this type is going to have password, and yes, so everything is required. And this is what it is we have done so far. We have the first name, the last name, the email, and the password. So let's go and add a button, so a submit button. So I'm going to have a div with a so I'm going to have a button here. So I have a button. Let's do 10 steps. Button further. Let's go something else. So I'm gonna have a button. And the button is gonna have a type too. The button to be a type of submit. So show that this is a submit button. So it submit this and let's sign in. So we are signing. Yeah, so we are good going. Now we'll close this. I go with the indentation. So let's indent this correctly. So I'm going to put it like this so that I can indent it correctly. This there we go. Yeah, we are good to go. Now what we have to do, we have included a button with a sign in button there. Now what we need to do now is just to work with the styling. So I'm going to go with the CSS. I just include it at the top, but you can do it. I just want to make it very simple. That's what I'm doing. I'm making it at the top. Then usually create another file for that. So let's just see style. So I'm going to get style type is text slash CSS. So here nothing has happened really, so let us add our style to this. So we want our form. Get our form, our class of form. Get the class of form. We want that class of form to have a width of 100%. I'm going to do 100%. There you go. And a height, so that covers everything. A height of 100%. Let's give a background color so that you can see what I mean. I just want it to have noise. Background color. Background, you can do background color. Background color. It just has some color. It has it. So you have some padding. You have to deal with the body. So I'm just going to include this body. The body should have no margin. So I'm getting margin of 0, and a padding of 0. So that's going to work with it. So we have the padding of 0 and the margin of 0. Yes, there we go. Everything is now cool. So we have nothing to work on. So let's just remove the background. Don't need that. Now, so the background is removed. See, now let's work with the. We have worked the form. Let's work with the form itself. So we have the form, the tag of form, not class this time around. So this form we want to have a width of on the BC around 80 pixels, not 80%. So the width should be 80%, and we want the height to be around. Let me give it auto. So it adjusts. So let's give it a background color so that we can see what we have really applied. So I'll give it background color. Yeah, the background color. The background color is going to be let's give it RGBA, red, green, blue, and this shows how it's going to be lightness. So I'll give it 0, 0, 0, give it 0.43. Let's take that out. So here we go. Now we have seen it. This is where our 80% is. So let's work this out. So this is where our 80% stops. So we want to get something really good here. Apply margin to it so that we can apply it to the center, so that everything can be in the center. We have the margin of auto. So automatically it's moved our form to the center. So now we want to align everything inside this form. So we have the text line. I'm going to use text line there. So to align everything to text line of center. So there you go. Yes, and everything is aligned to the center. That is going on. Now let's work with the inputs. I'm going to take all inputs. So I'm gonna have inputs. So I don't need any types since I want to catch all the inputs types, like the input type of text, input type of email, input type of password. Just get everything for me and let's work on them. So we have the the width. We want the width to be, we want it to be 60%. 60%, I mean. So let's test that out. 60% is too small. Let's work on around let's give it 80%. Yes, 80% is better. So we have to make it bigger. So I'm going to give it a padding top and bottom. So I'm going to give it padding there. So I'm going to be padding top and bottom will be 10 pixels. Let's test that on 0 pixels. So let's test that. Yeah, we're going. We can make it 15. Let's test 15. It's gonna be good. Not too big. Yes, I think that's good. Now we need these things to have margin in between themselves. So I'm going to use margin. So margin top and bottom should be 10 pixels. 0 pixel, 10 pixel. I think that should be good. Yes, that's good. We are good to go. So now let's apply something. We have the border. You can apply border. Let's think of applying border of none. Maybe that's gonna be good. Oh my god, that's good. Then let's apply the border radius. So we do the border radius. Yeah, have the border radius of. So I'm gonna give it 50 pixel. Yes, there we go, 50 pixel. Then let's see that. Wow, we're good to go. We are making something. I think we should try and increase this to 90. Let's check that. Yes, that's good. I think that's better. Now let's work with the button. So I'm going to work with the body. So we have the button. So I'm going to give it a width of 50%. 50%, yes, that's good. I'm going to give it a padding top of bottom, padding top and bottom. So we padding top and bottom of 10 pixel, 0 pixel right and left. So I think that is good. So now let's go about. We have to add the border of none. So we have border of none. You have to add the border radius of I think we should have 50 pixels. And it's too much. 50 pixels too. Now we are good to go. We are making something good. Now this is good. Let's add a background color. So we need background color. Let me give it something 77 or something like. I think that is not too bright yet. Maybe. But I don't want it to be fancy. I see this maybe 137. Let's do that. Too bad. Let's check something good. This is a little bit better. Let's just leave it like that. We don't want it to be fancy data. So I want to have a margin bottom. So margin bottom of I want the margin bottom to be around 10 pixels so that I have space for the bottom. Yes, there we go. Now our form is going to an end. We are really creating something really good. Now how about increasing the margin top here? Let's make it around 20 pixels. Let's see how that is. So too much, I don't really like that. So just give it 15. Just give it 15 margin of our input. So you give it 15. Yes, that's good. Yes, that's really good. So now we are moving, we are doing something right. Now let's work with our sign. So we have sign here, so let's work with our sign. So go to sign, our class of sign. Then we have a color. The color. Sorry. Keyboard is busy. So we have the color. I'm going to use 77. I'm sure I like that color. Yes. And I'm going to increase the font size. Increase the font size to about 30 pixel. Let's take that 30 pixel. Yes, I think that's good. Now I'm going to let me go back to my body. I want to have a font family of I think I have something like that. So there we go, we are moving. Now inside our body, now I want the color to be, so I'm gonna add the color to be white. So now white. So FFF is also white. So I'm gonna add white to it. So there we go. Yes. Let's increase the font size a little. So I'm gonna increase the font size, not big. Increase it to around 20 pixels. Take that 20 pixels. I don't think that's too big. Yes, not too big. Now our form is really moving. We are doing something really great. So inside our form, we fill it. We get black. I like black really. So just want it to be inputs. I'm getting input. I want to have the color with an RGB of 0, 3, 1, 0.6. See that? I think we have something not bad. It's not bad. So that thing does work okay. So now we have so this thing is too top, you're having it at the top, and I don't like. I want you to move closer downwards and work on that now. So we have to go to our form. Our form here, you have to give it a margin top. So let me just say margin. Yes, margin top of 20% bottom and top, and 0 pixel left and right. There you go. Let's get auto. Yes, so there you go. Yes, we are moving, we are getting something done. There we go. Now our form is almost complete. We just want to include a very small feature here. Oh, I think we have something good. So let's make it margin in top on it. Maybe margin top, and like the way it is. So we have the margin top. Okay. Just so I think that's let's give it another div here. Let's put another div in this form. Yeah, before this form, let's give it a div with a class of form content. So we need form content. So close the div and we close it right here. Now we go to form content. So the form, let me include it here. So we have the form content. Form content. So inside this form content, I want to have a padding of 150 pixels, 150 pixel bottom and top, and 0 pixel. There you go. 150 is too much, so I'm just gonna use 70. Oh, sorry. Wait, I think I haven't removed the margin. Yes, I haven't removed the margins, and remove this margin. So it's more closer to the up. Now, we want the padding to be around 150 pixels. So there you go, too much. I'm just gonna make it 70. So there you go. It's now normal. When you scroll, it's good. So we are good to go. Now let's do something great here. Increase this. Yeah, we are good to go now. So now we have something really good here. So I'm just gonna make it 60. Yeah, 60. So it's normal. Now, how about the shadow that I talk about the other time? Well, no, we have shadow right beside the if. But where's the shadow? Let's work with the shadow. So they're going to apply the shadow to the form. Yeah, so the form takes. So I'm going to add a border shadow, box shadow. Box shadow. So the box shadow is going to be RGBA. So I'm going to have RGBA. 0, 0, 0, 0.4. Yeah. So, oh, sorry, I have to include something here. We have 10 pixel here. We have another 10 pixel. We have a 0 pixel, 0 pixel. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Our form is completed. You have really achieved something. You have made your first form. Now let's fill the image. Now our first name we want meta more. So our last name will be Scarlet. Now we want our email to be Scarlet at form at form.com, and then we have a password. That's a secret password. You can never know password. Yeah, my password. And now I'm signing and I go to the web page not available. I don't think I've added anything good to it. Now we have created our first form. Very good, very perfect. You are good to go. Please, thank you. Like my page, like my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my channel for more interesting features with HTML and CSS, and more tutorials with mobile phone. For those people that doesn't have PC, you can do this on mobile phone, and for those of you that have PC, you can also do this on your PC. Everything is the same. So I'm going to include the source code link below in the description. Check out the source code in the description. Thank you. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more interesting. Thank you.